I am giving you the exact system that converts dead leads into paying customers. And if you implement this and it does not convert a single lead, I will coach you for free. That's $150 a session on me. The link's in the description. Let me show you how exactly this works. Before we jump into that, I'm Ronald Osborne, the founder of Osborne Digital Marketing, an award-winning international SEO digital marketing agency. Now, I've built this system for myself and for all of my clients. And it's something that just works so powerfully because, as you know, most people do not touch new leads up to 7 times. They don't engage with them enough to actually get them to convert. What the system that I'll give you today with the help of AI will separate you from the herd. It really, really works. And like I said, I'm willing to bet it works so much that I'm putting $150 on the line here and an hour of my time. So with that, all you'll need to do to get this, what we're going to be working from today, which is this document right here. This is the lead nurturing document that we're doing. All right. So this is it right here. The way you get this is you go to my website or to the link in the description. You click on this and then scroll all the way down the bottom past all of these additional free tools that you get, by the way. This is all free. You're welcome. You scroll down to the bottom and the lead nurturing email sequence is the one that you're looking for today. Okay. Now, let me explain how this system works. Over the last 10 years, I've consistently noticed that you need to get in front of individuals consistently. So what this is behind me is it's 2 parts. Now, it's very easy to use. It will take some time to set up, but once it's set up, it's a set and forget, and you've got the most unique, attractive, and enticing emails that will help you convert more people into your business. So let me give you an example of the walkthrough. First, we start with the most important part is this questionnaire. Okay, this questionnaire, as you can see, it says 30 to 45 minutes to complete. That's how long it's going to take you. Now, the reason you need to fill it out, this is an example one for myself. This is how I've completed it. All right. So you can see as an example, it has and covers a lot of things. Now, you might be sitting there going, Ronald, why do I need to complete a questionnaire if I'm going to create an email sequence? That's my secret. You create this questionnaire and then you upload it into AI with the AI prompt that I've got, and then you get all of this. You get the whole sequence done. So it's just copy and paste straight into an email set, whatever. You might have Pipedrive, you might have, I don't know, Site Dash, different CRM, whatever it may be, Get Response, whatever you're using, you copy and paste it in. And if you're a part of my network, you'll be getting emails consistently. So in regards to this, all you need to do is go on, complete it. All right. Here's my example, and I'll run through the sections very, very quickly so you can see I've broken it down into multiple sections: personal values and philosophy. All right. Everyone knows, sometimes speaking with me, I'm straight to the point. I don't muck around. I'll tell you how it is. That doesn't work with a lot of people, but it works with other people. So adding that communication style and my personal beliefs and value, everyone knows I'm a God-fearing man. Adding those types of things in there enables you to speak on behalf of different people. The next part is about your business. So your business overview. This is where you can input information about your company. So again, it's like, what's the business name? What industry you're in? What areas do you geographically target? Now, you might be thinking that's not important. You might just think that it's worthwhile going on if you're a chiropractor in Miami, entering, I'm a chiropractor in Miami. I've been around for 20 years. I've got 300 reviews on Google. That doesn't actually do anything. If you're a chiropractor, if you're an attorney, someone local, if you're really just targeting local individuals, especially roofers and contractors, you need to make it locally specific. The more locally specific it is, the more enticing it is when you see that, hey, Ron, I just noticed that in Fort Lauderdale, mate, there's going to be a storm passing through. Look, as a roofer, this is what I suggest you do in these circumstances. It's a lot more relatable than, hey, mate, get 10% off our roof repairs. What? It doesn't make sense. So that is why you do all of this. It's a super easy form to complete, guys, as you can see. Then the next step of what you need to do, all you need to do is complete all your questions. Then come down here. Very, very simple. This is how you use the AI to create the email sequence. Now, this is normally a 20 email framework that I've set up. And the reason I like 20 is because you're touching them a lot of times. All right. That sounds actually a bit naughty, but you're engaging with the customer 20 times. The touch point is, yes, that's what you want to do. So these are the things that you're doing. You're using this prompt. All you need to do is copy this. I know it's quite big, but it's what gives you these really short, sweet, beautiful emails that just get straight to the point. Now, all you need to do is copy that out, put it into whatever system you have. So again, something like Get Response, your CRM. If you're a business, you've got a CRM. This is just a simple drip, and maybe it's called a drip sequence in your business. Maybe it's just called email marketing. Just put this in 1 day later. Now, the beautiful thing is it's going to tell you when to send it. Day 1, day 2. All right. This is saying, for me, it's actually saying send it on day 3. Now you've got subject line A and subject line B. Why I used to carry a rifle as an example, because I'm ex-army. So you see these things, you can sit here and you can actually go, all right, with myself, do I want to use the first subject line or the second subject line? Do I actually want to include the fact that I did 5.7 million in my first company that I built, Twex, or not? And you get to edit these types of things. But the email sequence is all created for you. It's all ready to go. And it'll tell you, send this on this day, send it at this time. Done. Super easy. This lead nurturing system, I guarantee you, will work for you. Super sweet, super short video. If this has been valuable for you, if you've been able to convert leads in different ways, please let me know down in the video description. Let me know other creative things about leads that you would like me to create videos on. Put them down in the YouTube comments and I'll respond to them. And make sure you like and subscribe if you gain value from this. If you're like, man, this is thick and I'm going to use this. Like I said, you got $150 to be made here if it doesn't work. I'll coach you for free if it doesn't work. So 150 bucks. That's how much I want to guarantee it works, because it does work. It works exceptionally well. Now, you can also include SMSs if you have the capability to do that. It's a super simple system that will work and will help your business. Enjoy this lead nurturing system. Reach out to me. Like I said, if you're a business owner looking to do more with marketing, book a free discovery call. You can book the session here. On the checklist, you can join my Facebook group and also ask me questions as well. And you get access to all of these additional sheets. Look at all of this. This is all for marketing, ROI calculators, Google Business Profile optimizations, and here's my Facebook group. All right. If you want to join in there, ask me some questions, go nuts. You can ask me questions all the day. But I guarantee if you use this lead nurturing system, you are going to convert more people. You are going to generate more work for your business.